So how do you sign out of the Yahoo Mail on the iPad? Let me explain it and guide you through it. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at this point, it depends on whether you're using the official Yahoo Mail app or you're using the Apple Mail with Yahoo account. But I'm going to show you both ways on how we can sign out. So if you are at first using the official app, you can get inside, browse your emails as usual, but in the top left corner, you're going to tap on your account and click on more accounts right in here. So like this, you should be able to expand it, but if not, just click on this account once again. And hopefully it should do something. If not, then we can go to manage accounts as such, and you can click on this edit button in the top, and you can click on remove, and you will have the ability to remove the account from this device, which effectively means that you are signing out. So as you can notice, that's the official way to sign out. At first, I thought that it's part of the account, but you actually have to go to the manage, edit, and then remove. So that's how you'll be able to sign out, and you're going to end up with like an empty app of Yahoo Mail without any account. So that's nice. That's the first method. But as I said, if you're using the Yahoo Mail in the Apple Mail app, in this situation, we just go to the settings as such, and we just have to go to the main section, the main list, and at the bottom we have apps. From those, you go to the mail, like so, and go to accounts, and you can see all of the accounts which you are using on this device are going to be listed in here. So if you have Yahoo in there, you can click on it and you'll be able to delete it and remove it, right? So that's how you would be able to sign out from Yahoo Mail if you've been using it within the Apple Mail. So I hope it makes sense. That's all I really wanted to explain in this video. So for more questions and thoughts, use the comment section below, but I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later in future videos.